First time seeing monkeys, and not only that, I got one on my shoulders and he's eating peanuts.
Normally, and they are natural monkeys. The place is good. They live here naturally and they are free.
Yes. Beefing. Okay.
I already did the piece of advice. That is to go with a guide which you are going with. But if you want, I can tell you some bit history of the park.
Okay, yeah, go for it, man. I would appreciate that.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording now.
Okay. Good evening to you, respected visitors. Once again, welcome to the park. My name is Suleiman, and I am the manager of the park. This park is a national park. It's therefore owned by the government of the Gambia. It is not privately owned by a particular individual, company, or community. It is owned by the state.
Okay.
And it's managed by the Department of Forestry of the Gambia.
Okay.
These kind of animals, monkeys, these kind of monkeys are called the green vervet monkeys.
Green Valley.
Green vervet.
Green Vervet.
Monkeys, yeah.
Okay.
That's how they are officially called. Locally, they are called green monkeys.
Okay.
We have the red colobus monkeys, officially called red colobus, and locally known as red monkeys.
Okay. Are they in this forest as well?
We have them here. In this park, we have 3 different types of monkeys.
Yeah.
But 2 are the main species. The main types are the green ones and the red ones.
Okay.
They are the 2 main types.
Okay.
And that's how they are locally called. Officially, they are called green vervet and western red colobus. Locally, they are called green and red monkeys. So it's better to call them green and red because it's easier to remember.
Okay.
And these 2, they crossbreed. And they produce another kind called the hybrids. The hybrid is a soft species from these 2.
Alright, cool.
And these hybrids are fertile, they reproduce.
Okay. Do they have any predators in this park?
That's a good question. We have civet cats, wild cats.
Wildcats,
We kill them. We have bush babies. No. We have this thing, pythons.
Pythons. Oh.
Big. The largest snake we have here is a rock python. It's about 50 meters long.
Yeah. Oh.
We also have these stray dogs. You know stray dogs?
Stray dogs. Okay, yeah.
So this is how you feed them. You just open your hand like this, they eat feed from your hand.
Oh, so they're expecting food when they see visitors.
Very good, yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
So they only, it's advisable to feed them with handful and not with one at a time.
Okay.
If you give them feed a few peanuts, they bite you. Handful is what is advisable.
Okay.
So feed them, just give them a handful. They are very friendly.
Okay. Wow. You say if you don't give them handful, they'll bite you?
Some people try to give them one feed at a time because it's not safe. No, that's okay. It's okay. As long as you have few peanuts in your hand.
Yeah, they'll take. Okay.
It's safer than giving one at a time.
Okay.
If you give one at a time, sometimes they bite you.
All right. So you're gonna is he gonna come up with? So he's just holding up his hand, see if one of them go to the tree.
To sit on your shoulder.
Yeah.
It's easier if you have banana, but sometimes it works with peanuts.
Oh, I'm good. I'm okay.
No, come, it's nice.
Oh,
no,
man.
Don't worry, just stand like this. Don't have eye contact. Then they'll be shy. Unlike baboons. Baboons, if you have eye contact, they attack. This one, eye contact, they run away. Just stretch your hand like this.
Yeah.
Don't bend your hand, just stretch it like this.
Okay, guys.
Take a picture.
Yo. Okay, this is a big first right here, guys.
see something.
This is a big first, like I've first time seeing monkeys, and not only that, I got one on my shoulders and he's eating peanuts.
and they are natural monkeys. The place is not a zoo. They live here naturally and they are free.
Okay, all right, that's good. That's good.
I don't like animals in cages.
Me as well. I don't like zoos. All right, can give him one. My guy. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Oh, so once you give them the peanut, they're okay. They leave.
Yeah, goes.
So that's good. I thought they were gonna come for more peanuts.
No. The thing is finished. I just want to show you this thing. We'll continue to feed them. They will come.
Yardman abroad. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am here at Bijilo?
Bijilo Forest Park. Bijilo Forest.
Yeah, Bijilo Forest Park.
Ecotourism Park.
In Ecotourism Park.
But it's locally known as Monkey Park.
Oh, they're going off.
Bijilo Forest Ecotourism Park, locally known as Monkey Park.
Locally known as Monkey Park. It's one of the things to do when you're here in Gambia. Yeah, so it's showing me the lion walk. I always wondered, like, why are these lions so tame?
Have you ever seen them in the wild?
I've never seen. Oh, nice. It's a rhino.
Yeah, and I took this guy also too.
Wow.
So I will tell you now.
Yeah.
First, I would like to tell you why the lions are so tame. You know these lions?
Yeah.
You know all the animals in the wild Also, all the animals there, they live there naturally in the wild, except the lion. The lion was found. They were two, and they were babies. Found in another park in Senegal.
Okay.
Their parents died, so they bring them to the park in the border, which is closer to Gambia, and that's where they were raised. Humans raised them. Yeah. Until now, there are 15 of them, so they're team.
All right, I see.
Here
you go, big dog.
Team since they were babies.
Here you go, big dog. I want no peanuts, man. There you go. There you go. Oh. I'm friendly. I'm good. We cool.
Feed those ones.
Yeah. We cool, big dog. We cool. Hey. One for you too, my G. Here you go, my guy. And this is cool. If you're a nature lover and an animal lover, this park is cool. There's some nice looking birds in this park as well.
Yeah, we have lots of birds, and the best time is early in the morning.
Yeah.
So that kind of bird is a dove.
Oh, that's a dove right there.
That kind of doves.
Yeah.
You know pigeons?
I know pigeons, yeah. We have plenty of them in London.
Yeah, so you come from London?
Yes. Oh, they're beefing. Here you go. Yo.
It's survival of the fittest.
Yeah.
They fight each other to get the food.
They're fighting for the peanuts. Yo, little man got pushed out the way. Here you go, dog. Here you go. Don't start fighting. No beefing. Yeah. Oh. This is incredible, guys, that you can come and see them in this park.
Yeah,
natural environment. It is not a zoo. You know, they're not kept here against their will. They're free to roam. And I think they come out of the parks sometimes, to be honest.
There's no electric fence. They go out and come.
Yeah.
Anytime they want to go out. And this is made by the termites.
All right.
And these kind of termites are called the ground termites.
Nice. It's a termite mound.
And it's a ground termite mound.
Yeah.
And this is made by the aerial termite. It fell from the tree.
Oh.
An aerial termite mound made by the termites, you see? These are the aerial termites, you see?
All right.
They are small insects, and those are the soldiers. The small ones are the females.
Yeah.
These ones do not bite, but soldiers they bite. They are the males.
Oh, okay.
They have a king, queen, workers, and soldiers. Unlike bees. Bees, they don't have a king. They only have queen, workers, and soldiers.
Yes. Interesting.
And
I didn't know that.
The aerial termites, they eat woods. You see how they kill this part of the tree.
Okay.
The ground termites, they eat only dry leaves. Those ones, they don't eat woods.
Okay.
These are the ones that eat woods. They all went inside the tree. The tree is hollow now because they're eating everything in the tree.
Okay.
And this kind of tree is a baobab.
Baobab, okay.
It's also called elephant tree,
okay.
or upside down tree, or monkey bread tree, or the tree of good luck. Those are its big name, but its original English name, its proper English name is baobab.
Okay, yeah. They're all over.
Produce fruits. The fruit is called the baobab fruit. You can eat it. You can eat it raw. Or you make it juice.
Okay.
The juice is called baobab juice.
All right.
So the juice is good for all kinds of stomach problems.
Okay, this one looks like it's protecting his baby.
Yeah.
Might not wanna.
Brothers and sisters.
Okay. Thank you. There you go, my G. Yay.
And that one is pregnant.
This one is pregnant.
Do you know how long they are pregnant?
Please tell me.
6 months.
6 months. Okay.
And they breastfeed their babies 5 months.
Okay.
And they live 40 to 50 years. They die.
40
to 50 years.
Oh, that's long. Yeah, so this video is for the nature lovers out there. Love animals and nature. This is my incredible guide that's taking me through the park and giving me a lot of information. There you go. We have a little man-made drinking fountain there for them. Nice. There you go, little man.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Can I get a peanut right there? Oh. Yo, that was unexpected. There you go. Okay. Oh no, I think I'll stay with one right now. Oh God. I know. How do I get involved? Yeah. Oh God. Oh.
If you want the monkey to come down, you just walk on.
Okay.
Put the tail on the ground. Throw it in the ground.
Alright, I don't think you can see me throwing it.
Just throw it in the ground. Come on, just throw it in the ground. Just walk away.
Walk away. Okay.
Just walk. Just walk.
Yo!
Just walk.
Big man is holding on. Hey! Hey, big man just itched a ride there, you know. I didn't expect him to jump on me like that.
Each family has a leader for the alphabet.
Okay, which one? This one? Alright, that's the big guy right there, the leader of the pack.
Different family groups, and each family has its own.
Old alpha leader.
Each family has its own territory,
Yeah.
and the general is protected. And in each family, there's a leader called the alpha male.
Are they very territorial?
Very territorial. We give them this one, then we keep the rest for the red monkeys.
Okay.
Hopefully, we'll see them.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, they're munching on that. See the alpha sitting on the sideline right there.
The other side there.
Can't lie, guys, man got a little bit shook right there, you know. I wasn't expecting him to jump on me like that, but yeah, I'm good. No scratches or scars. Definitely, if you're coming to this place, make sure you wear a shirt. Don't wear any like skin vest or anything like that, because if they jump on you, could potentially get a scratch. Alright, so we're just walking through the forest now, hoping to see some of the red monkeys. So hopefully one of them or a few will turn up for us.
Ow! Ow! That's how they call. You have to make that call so that when they are around, they also call back, then you know exactly where they are.
Okay.
So they come closer.
And you say, oh, ow.
Ow!
Okay.
Ow!
Ow.
Ow! But it's good also if they recognize your voice, it's easier.
Okay. So like for me, they won't come.
Hopefully they won't come because they don't recognize your voice.
Okay. These coconuts are, can you drink them, these ones?
No, these ones are not coconut. Many people think it's a coconut, but it's a different palm tree. It smells very nice, but it's only good for the animals.
Okay. Alright, cool. So the animals eat it.
Yeah, the animals, including
That's
the
nice.
monkeys. So you find them, you see them on the floor, but they are falling.
So you never really have to bring them food.
Pardon? The monkeys?
Yeah.
You see? They're falling. Monkeys, people feed them here, but to be honest, it's not environmentally friendly. But when you feed them, they become domesticated. They depend on people.
Oh, yes,
But you
yes,
know,
yes.
these monkeys, definitely people have to feed them. Why? Because the population is highly overgrown.
Okay.
So now what they do, they don't have enough food from the forest. So now what they do now is if people do not feed them, they go outside to people's homes. They steal mangoes, oranges, avocados, and people become upset, they kill them. Even that building outside the park, that big building, was part of the monkey park 7 years ago.
Really?
Yeah. Government sold it for hotel.
Oh, that's crazy.
Government sold it for hotel, but it was
So you mentioned before like they have predators like those cats and
yeah,
dogs,
we
and
still have them here in the park.
but it's not a lot. So it's not enough to control the population, I would say.
It's not a lot compared to their population.
Yeah.
Because we have about 800 monkeys. The green ones are about 600, the red ones about 200.
Yeah.
Hybrids are only 2. So they are only about 5 in number. And these cats, they are not even up to 200.
Even
cats.
200 cats. Okay, so not enough to control the population.
There also are a few, and then there are pythons. There are many, so it's controlling their number, but slowly.
Oh, yeah, okay. Enough for them to strive.
We have the snakes there. Even some poisonous snakes like Papa green mamba, black mamba, spitting cobra.
In this place right here.
You don't see them only in the wet season.
Oh, only in the wet season you see them.
July, August, September, October.
Okay.
It's the period of the year we have rains, so it attracts lots of frogs. You know frogs?
Yeah, I know frogs. Yeah. Oh, that's one of the red monkeys
Come
there.
You come down.
Guys, I think, they say ignorance is bliss, because I felt a whole lot better.
You got this one? It loses the tail. Why? Because it was caught by a wild cat.
Oh.
By the tail, it escaped. So the cat ate the tail up, and the monkey has to lose the tail.
Oh, man. Here you go, man. I got some more peanuts there for you, G. There you go. Tear them up, bro. Yeah, that's one of the red monkeys there. All I have to see is one of the hybrid monkeys and I'm good. Yeah guys, I was saying ignorance is bliss because I felt a whole lot better when I didn't know there was pythons and black mambas and but yeah, there's one of the birds I'm talking about, guys. We have some incredible birds in Gambia. I think Gambia is known for their bird species population. Welcome to Gambia, guys. We are in Bijilo National Park, or locally known as Monkey Park here in the Gambia. And my guy is just taking me through, showing me the monkeys in this place. Yeah, so this is one of the things you can do while you're here in Gambia.
You had the concept to say hat.
Okay. Yes, yes.
As for them, they think having a monkey, a pet monkey in the house is better than letting them in the wild.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Excuse me. They find you pay a lot of money now in the Gambia. It's not allowed. Even if you are caught with a parrot, with a monkey or with a monkey, they find you heavy there. And they will seize the animal. They take it to Abuko National Park. That's where they rehabilitate them and release them back to the wild. It's not allowed now. Before, yes, but now it's not allowed.
So you want to take one home? You want to take one home with you?
Yes, I want it, but
the concept she have is incorrect. She said she want to have the monkey. If the monkey is if a wild monkey is with her, the monkey is safer than in the wild.
yes,
The monkey is prison.
Of course. It's one of the reasons why I don't like zoos. I never go to zoos because I don't like to see animals in captivity. I like to see them free, and this is what they like, the wild,
You go to mile 2, those prisoners there, they give them food, they don't buy food, they give them food, but they're in prison. We are free, we can wander everywhere we are. So the wild animals, if they are in the wild, they are free. But when you have them at home, you tie them on the rope, you give them food. It's a prison. Even so, I
think this is where they should be. Imagine you take one of them, maybe the baby. You take it away from his mother, you take away from his father. Yeah, they actually live in groups. Oh, a couple more of the red ones have come out, guys. Yeah. Where's the alpha?
That's the alpha in the middle.
That's the alpha in the middle. There you go, big dog. Hey. All right. Okay, big G. Hey, there you go, my guy.
This is the last period, give them the go on.
Yeah.
Take the nice picture.
That's incredible. Guys, definitely put this on your itinerary if you come into Gambia. Definitely.
Look at their eyes too much. Eye contact, they run away.
They run away. Oh.
They are different from baboons. Too much eye contact, they attack. This one, too much eye contact, they run away.
Okay.
If you want them to sit on your shoulder, but if you don't want them to sit on your shoulder, you can have contact.
Okay. All right. Okay, easier. Got a little bit shook right there. I ain't gonna lie. This is incredible, man. Welcome to Gambia. Put this on your itinerary. A big dog up there is like just watching the scene. There's a lot of nature to see in this park. I think up there, that's another termite mound right there. So we have the monkeys, of course, 2 different type of monkeys. Well, 3 different kind of monkeys, but I can only see 2 at the moment. We have termite mounds. We have a huge termite mound somewhere over there, and the birds as well. Understand? So we have the birds as well. So yeah, a lot of nature to see in this park, guys. You can see a lot of nature in one trip, and it only cost me $350 to get in here. That's probably about £5. Incredible, guys. I think I'm gonna sign out this video right here. Look at these birds, man.